Hello, students. Today's topic is prepositional phrases. So, first of all, I'll tell you the definition of a prepositional phrase. It is a group of words consisting of a preposition, its object, and any words that modify that object. Most of the times, a prepositional phrase modifies a verb or a noun. At a minimum, a prepositional phrase consists of one preposition and the object it governs. So now I'll tell you certain prepositional phrases with their meanings, and I'll also make sentences. So the first prepositional phrase is at home in. It means to know a lot about. For example, we can say she is at home in cooking. It means she is an expert. She knows how to cook. Second is at the top of. It means to be better than all others. So as an example, I can say she shouted at the top of her voice. It means she shouted very loudly. Third is at the risk of. It means despite the possibility of. We can say he saved the man at the risk of his own life. Fourth is by dint of. It means by means of. For example, I can say I stood first by dint of hard work. The next is for the sake of. It means out of consideration or regard for a person or thing. For example, we can say Bhagat Singh sacrificed his life for the sake of the country. The next is for want of. It means because someone lacks something. For an example, we can say the project could not be completed for want of money. The next is in case of. It means in the want of a particular situation. For example, I can say in case of his failure, he would give up his plan. Next is in front of. It means further forward than somebody, something ahead. For example, I can say there is a big tree in front of my house. Next is in honor of. It means as a celebration or an expression of respect for. For example, I can say he gave us a tea party in the hour of his success. Next is in the face of. It means when confronted with. I can say we shouldn't feel upset in face of difficulties. Next is instead of. As an example, I can say, instead of tea, I shall have milk. Instead of means as a substitute or a replacement. Next is in spite of. It means doing something with a bit of rebellion or a desire to irritate. For example, I can say, in spite of hard work, he failed. And the next is in search of. It means intent to search something. For example, I can say he is in search of a good job. Thank you.